Dear viewers, our today's topic is sedimentation. Sedimentation in geology refers to the process of deposition of a solid particle from a state of suspension or solution in a liquid. This process leads to a number of sedimentary rocks which are the source of a number of minerals of economic value. Now, these sedimentary deposits which lead to mineral deposits of economic value are mainly formed by the following process. What are the process? The process are number 1 mechanical sedimentation, number 2 chemical sedimentation, and number 3 organic sedimentation. I will discuss one by one. How mechanical sedimentation takes place? Mechanical sedimentation process is very much like formation of sedimentary rock, which includes breaking of harder rocks, mostly of igneous origin, into small grains of constituent elements by Earth's physical activity, such as blowing of winds, earthquakes, alteration of pressure and temperature, and transportation of grains into basins by air or water, and deposition layer by layer. Sedimentary rocks takes place by depositing layer after layer. Removal of slack materials from the parent rocks by solution or other means also lead to mechanical accumulation of minerals. In the long run, these deposits may be subjected to compaction, and changes in physiochemical condition may also lead to their metamorphism. Economically viable deposits may be formed by this process of sedimentation only and only if the source rock contains desired minerals in large amount which can be readily removed. Then it may be borne in mind that economically viable deposits may be formed by this process, that is by sedimentation process, only and only if the source rock contains desired minerals in large amount which can be readily removed either in solution or in suspension and may be transported conveniently to and deposited in a basin-like structure. Deposits of a large number of minerals such as iron, manganese, copper, uranium and vanadium ores, sulfur, limestone, dolomite, coal, clay, magnesite, etc. have been formed in different countries by the process of sedimentation. Now, we will discuss chemical sedimentation. What is chemical sedimentation? Chemical sedimentation takes place when constituent minerals are dissolved in liquid and chemically precipitated from the liquid. Chemical sediments comprises of all minerals formed by inorganic process in the sedimentary environment through their influence of chemical conditions in the depositional environment. Seawater, which contains 3.5% by weight dissolved salts, if subjected to confinement and evaporations, it undergoes reduction in volume and gets saturated with dissolved salts, which are precipitated and deposited with isolated island basins. The examples are Stassfurt deposits of Germany and salt marl and gypsum deposits of salt range. Now we will come the third sedimentation process, that is organic sedimentation, which takes place from the accumulation and lithification of organic debris such as leaves, roots and other plants or animal material. Peat beds, which are own swampy accumulations, contains a good content of carbon and are black, soft, and fossiliferous. Coal is the most prominent example of organic sedimentation. Both the theories of origin of coal, which are drift theory and in situ theory, supports its organic sedimentation into suitable basins. Dear viewers, these are in short all about sedimentation, which lead to sedimentary rocks of economic value. You may take note of it if you require so. Thank you.